So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a in-sink aerator. This is a Badger 1/3 horsepower. And there's your serial number right there. Anyway, so brand new disposal. We did replace the mounting bracket as well. So brand new putty bracket disposal. Over here on this side, we give you a brand new basket strainer as well. And so that's good. That's a Moen product. And then a tubular extension kit. This telescopes in and out over to the disposal for the drain. That's your existing hose. That 7/8 black hose back there. It's a discharge hose from the air gap, which drains the dishwasher into the disposal. So that's yours. Didn't do anything with that. Down here though, we cut this all out, give you a little extension and a tubular trap. We did cut that T back. It was full of debris. We cut it, cleaned it out front, glued it back on, pointed it straight over to this basket strainer, and then gave you a new trap, new extension. And so this is all brand new underneath. I mean, the sewer line's yours, water lines, hot and cold, those are yours. And so I'd just leave those alone. That is CPVC pipe back there with some real delicate shut-off valves, so I'd leave those alone. In the event you have an issue, just shut the water off right outside the door with that ball valve, and then give us a holler. Anyways, did you run it? We run lots of water down there. There's no leaking. Please monitor for moisture. Any issues, give us a holler. We'll come out and take care of it right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.